Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. Here is September 20, 2024's pre-IPO stock update. CoreWeave, an AI cloud computing business, is in talks to arrange a share sale that could value the company at $23 billion. The transaction, led by CEO Michael Irrinator, would allow existing shareholders to tender 400 to 500 million in shares. This potential sale follows a significant valuation increase from 19.1 billion in May, where CoreWeave raised 1.1 billion from investors such as Coatue and Magnetar Capital. Previously, the company was valued at 7 billion in December 2023. Additionally, CoreWeave secured a $7.5 billion credit facility in May from lenders like Blackstone and Carlyle Group. With NVIDIA as an investor, CoreWeave is building AI-focused data centers, positioning itself for growth and possibly eyeing an IPO in 2025. CoreWeave has a $22.8 billion secondary market valuation, so this primary round is directly in line with the secondary market. Revolut, a London-based online bank, plans to launch its own stablecoin, according to reports from multiple sources. The company, which obtained a UK banking license in July, has already allowed crypto trading for years and saw its revenue soar to $2.2 billion with a user base of 45 million. Revolut aims to join the $119 billion stablecoin market dominated by Tether and Circle's USDC. However, the new stablecoin will likely not be available in the US, where Revolut ceased cryptocurrency services due to its regulatory issues. The company's foray into stablecoins align with competitors like PayPal, whose PYUSD token has reached a market cap of $733 million since launching in August of 2023. Revolut has a $45 billion valuation from its August 2025 primary round. Alan, a French insurance technology company, has secured a major deal with Belfius as one of Belgium's largest banks, which includes a $193 million Series F funding round led by Belfius. Existing investors such as Ontario Teachers, Pension Plan, Temasek, Coatue, and Lakestar also participated. The new round gives the company a $4.5 billion valuation. Allen has over 500,000 people covered by its insurance products and added 150,000 more customers since February, including the French Prime Minister's office. Allen expects its annual recurring revenue to hit 500 million this year. The partnership with Belfius aims to expand Allen's reach into Belgium, offering health insurance to millions of employees through the bank's corporate clients. Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain chip company, has received breakthrough device, quote unquote, breakthrough device status from the FDA for its experimental brain implant BlindSight, aimed to help blind patients regain their sight. BlindSight is one of 58 devices to receive this designation in 2024, part of the program designed to accelerate the development and review of medical devices for life-threatening conditions. Musk claims the devices could eventually restore vision for those who's blind from birth through initial vision would be low resolution akin to Atari graphics. So not great at the beginning, but getting better over time. Neuralink is also developing implants to enable paralyzed patients to control devices with their minds, with its first successful human implant in 2023. Neuralink has a $7.2 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 107% from its last round in November of 2023. That's not even 1 year ago. Lionsgate Entertainment, the studio behind franchises like The Hunger Games and John Wick, has partnered with AI startup Runway to integrate generative AI into its movie and TV production processes. In exchange for access to Lionsgate's content library, Runway will provide a custom AI model to assist with tasks such as storyboarding and special effects, potentially saving the studio millions and millions of dollars, according to Vice Chairman Michael Burns. This deal, the first of its kind for Runway, comes as Hollywood grapples with the role of AI in content creation. While Runway's current tools can't yet generate video or images for film, Lionsgate sees the AI as a game changer, especially for lower budget films. The partnership reflects a broader trend of studios, including Disney and Paramount, exploring AI to streamline production and maximize value from their content libraries. Runway is in talk with General Atlantic to complete a new funding round at a $4 billion valuation. OpenAI, the AI large language model business, has partnered with T-Mobile to create an AI-driven platform called IntentCX. aimed at enhancing customer retention and automating services. The platform will leverage data from millions of T-Mobile subscribers using the T-Life app, which centralizes services like bill management and T-Mobile Tuesdays. IntentCX will automate tasks such as troubleshooting network issues in real time and analyzing customer data to help T-Mobile prevent churn. Set to launch in 2025, this collaboration will also lead to the development of additional AI-powered tools and services for T-Mobile's operations. OpenAI has a $150 billion valuation after a recently announced primary round. That's the pre-money. The post-money is 156.5. OpenAI is nearing completion of that $6.5 billion fundraising round, which is oversubscribed by billions of dollars, signaling high investor demand. Again, new funding round sets a pre-money valuation for the company at $150 billion. That's 156.5 post-money, significantly higher than its previous $86 billion valuation. Strategic investors, including Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Apple, are expected to participate. Thrive Capital is leading the round with a $1.25 billion investment. With such strong demand, we believe OpenAI will trade at a premium in the pre-IPO secondary market as investors look to capitalize on the company's growth trajectory in the AI sector. Databricks, an AI data management technology company, is opening its first European headquarters in London, aiming to capitalize on the UK's growing tech market. The new 5-story Soho-based office, which opens on October 3, will house the company's 400 UK employees, a significant upgrade from its previous WeWork space. Databricks, which serves major clients like Shell and Rolls-Royce, is expanding rapidly in the UK as the country oversaw 51,000 new tech companies incorporated last year. Databricks is a $45.5 billion secondary market valuation. That's up 5.4% versus its November 2023 round. Canva, the graphic designer SaaS company, is set to raise prices for its Canva team subscription by over 300% due to the addition of generative AI features. In the US, some Canva Teams users will see their annual subscription jump from $120 to $500, with a temporary 40% discount, bringing it to $300 for the first year. That's a big jump. In Australia, the $39.99 AUD Australian dollars per month for fee for 5 users will be replaced by $13.50 Australian dollars per user. That's a 68% increase for a team of 5. The changes reflect Canva's expanded product offerings such as Magic Studio and AI tools and come ahead of a potential IPO in 2026. Canva's Pro and Enterprise plans remain unaffected. Canva has a $27.6 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 6.3% versus January 2024 round. Wiz, the cloud security provider, has launched Wiz Code, a new code application security tool aimed at helping security and development teams detect and resolve cloud risks directly in code. By integrating with developer environments, Wiz Code traces security issues back to their source in the code and the CI/CD pipelines, providing real-time security feedback and fix suggestions to developers. The tool will also link security issues to the developers responsible, offering enhanced visibility into the company's security posture. Wiz Code enters a competitive market of security tools designed to integrate directly into developer workflows, enhancing collaboration between security and development teams. Wiz has a $17.8 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 48.3% versus its May 2024 round. Let's look at the pre-IPO stock market performance as of September 16, 2024, up this week. OpenAI, 19.2%. It's going to be up for a couple weeks as it goes from that $100 billion valuation up to the 156.5. XAI is up 11.4%. Chime's up 5.3%. Epic Games up 5.3%. Hugging Face up 4%. Down this week, Deal's down 10.5%. Rock's down 7.3%. Discord's down 2.3%. Rippling's down 2.2%. eToro down 1.2%. Excuse me. Top valuations: ByteDance 301, still staying up there. SpaceX 230. They just did it, closed around at 210. OpenAI is 157, as we mentioned. Stripe's at 84. Databricks at 46. Subscribe at agdillon.com/subscribe to get the most current valuation, revenue multiples, and performance data delivered to your inbox. Okay, let's look at the performance for the AG Dillon pre-IPO stock vintage indexes as of September 16, 2024. 2024 vintage index top contributors since inception. That's just the beginning of the year on January 1st. Revolut's up 201% since the beginning of the year. Rippling's up 102%. Andrew's up 71%. OpenAI up 49%. Klarna's up 40%. The 2024 vintage index is up 61% since inception or year-to-date 2024. There are no detractors in the 2024 vintage index. Key metrics for all vintage indexes 5 years old or older, 473% cumulative return since inception. 58% of that return was realized or distributed to investors. The hardcore VC metrics is 5.73 TVPI, 3.31 DPI, 2.42 RVPI, 4.1 years to quote-unquote return the fund. Subscribe at agdillon.com/subscribe to get the most current pre-IPO stock index fact sheets, including vintage data by year from 2005. Okay, that's it for me this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you all next week.